So to give you an example, I'm going to talk about football because there's not that much football talk at this conference. And our statistics are really drastically different from what you'll find in the everyday box score. And the best way to talk about this is to give an example. Normally what you find in the box score is yards. So say you have a 3rd and 12 Green Bay Packers on their own 27. Aaron Rodgers passes to Jordy Nelson for 10 yards. It's 4th and 2 now. They're at the 37. They're going to punt the ball. But in traditional statistics, you see 10 yards. That's pretty good on one play. But using our statistics, we use something called expected points because not all yards are created equally. Every situation is different. Every situation is unique. So using expected points, we can tell you at any given down distance to go in yard line how many points a league average team would score. And before the play on the 3rd and 12, it was negative 0.44, and afterwards it was negative 0.37. So there's really not much of a change. They're still not expected to score next. The opponent, who I think was the Cowboys in this case, is expected to score next. So not really a great play because they have to punt. So here's a second example. You have 3rd and 2 on the Dallas 45. Aaron Rodgers completes it to Randall Cobb for 4 yards. 4 yards versus the traditional 10 yards. The first play in our traditional statistics looks 2.5 times better than the second play. But we know that the second play was much more impactful. It converted to a new set of downs, increased their chances of scoring dramatically, and again, we can quantify just how much it increased their chances of scoring. Before the play, they were expected to score 1.41 points. After the play, 3.56 points, which increases their net expectancy by 2.15 points. So again, we can really quantify how big of an impact that 4-yard play was, and it was much bigger than the 10-yard play, given the situation. So again, everything in football really is situational, and it needs to be evaluated in that sense. And that way you can really understand teams and players better, and generally your statistics will be more predictive.
Let's go. Yeah, Killer Priest, Planet Asia, Chief Analyst.